Hello and welcome to another video here. It's a nasty day outside, all snowy as you can see. The windows all covered. We're about to take off. Got our first upgrade to do to the big upgrade to the 24 valve. It's kind of the first. The airbox, and yeah, I did an airbox, and I did a. Sorry, that was bugging me. I did an airbox and I did a fuel system, but those came with the truck. Didn't really have any money into them. This is the first big chunk of change that I'm spending on this truck. Spending quite a bit of money today. So I will show you what we're gonna do. It's a bit of a drive, and then I got a few things to talk about while we're driving. So yeah, stay with me for that. Alright, we're cruising down the highway here now. Just thought I'd show you guys how droney this exhaust is. Perfectly at 70 miles an hour when that does that. It's awful. So you either go 65 or you go 75. Kind of right there around 70. It's loud. Alright, so what did I spend my first big chunk of money on this truck on? Well, let me show you. Alright, so we're in the truck now. So what I did was I tinted the windows. Very dark. I did 5%. It is so dark in here. I mean, it doesn't really do it justice. You can't even see the four-wheel drive stick. My hand is on it. You can't even see it. I mean, it doesn't do it justice. I mean, I'm in the truck and I can barely see what's in the back seat. It's awesome. I really like it. The biggest reason I do this is because I've had people looking in my windows and when I'm sitting somewhere, and they look right in my window looking at what I got, and I don't appreciate it. And I frankly just tint my windows out, and then I know what you're doing because you can't just glance looking in the windows. You have to physically press your face up against it. So, well, my battery's about ready to die. Okay, I'm back. So now that I have this thing charging. But, yeah, so I like how it comes out. I mean, it's dark. So what did I do? Just looking at this. So if you notice, this window is darker than this window. Well, same with that. You notice that right there is darker than that. So I put 5% all the way around. Now, there was factory tint back there on that window. The factory 35% or 20% or whatever it was. I think it's technically 20%. So I have almost it's probably about 2.5%, 2% back there is what that comes out to be. And that's 5%. I did go with the ceramic. The other reason I do that is it keeps heat in, keeps the cold out. It reflects 60, or, in the summertime, other way around. Keeps the heat out, keeps the cold in. It stops the heat transfer. It stops 60% of heat transfer or something like that. I'm not quite sure. The guy, whatever. Same tint that's on that truck. But for some reason, in the extended cab, it's way darker. So I like it. One of the best upgrades and one of the first upgrades that I do to my trucks is put the tint, just because for privacy reasons and keeping people from stealing stuff. And hey, it looks cool. I like how on the outside. Let me step out quick. It just looks like one big window right there, because the vinyl's still on there. So I think that looks cool. I like how it looks. This truck is starting to come together. Let me get a good shot. From where it started to where it is now is quite a transformation, and we're not even done. I got quite a few more videos to do on this thing. To make it look good. So alrighty, I want to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and drop in the comments if you want to see something, some kind of video. You know, I do read the comments, so go down there, leave a comment in there, let me know what you want to see. So, well, we'll catch you guys in another video.